Welcome to our video about natural juice from apples. In this video, you'll get an exclusive look inside a factory that produces apple juice. Our aim is to educate you on the whole process and help you appreciate the hard work and dedication that goes into making this refreshing drink. You'll be amazed at the amount of work and attention to detail that goes into turning simple apples into the tasty juice you know and love. We hope you enjoy this fascinating look inside the world of apple juice production. Our first stop is the apple orchard where workers pick the apples. A typical tree can produce up to 20 boxes of apples, weighing nearly 800 pounds. Apples should be picked carefully to prevent bruising, which can affect the quality of the juice. Once the apples have been harvested, they're transported to the factory in large trucks. The apples need to be processed quickly to prevent spoilage. Despite the short distance, transportation should be handled carefully to avoid any damage to the produce. Before starting the juice-making process, the apples are thoroughly washed in a cleaning station. This ensures that dirt and debris are removed first. The washing also helps remove pesticides and other chemicals used in the orchard. After washing, the apples go through a process called grinding, which converts them into smaller pieces. This process helps expose the fruit's juice cells, making it easier to extract the juice later on. Separated seeds are removed during this process. In the next stage, the apple pieces go through a press that extracts all of the juice out of them. The juice flows into large tanks, and the leftover pulp is collected separately for different purposes. This is an essential step to ensure the juice is safe to drink. The juice is heated to a temperature that kills any bacteria or germs that may cause spoilage or make people sick. The juice is then quickly cooled down to prevent any further bacterial growth. After pasteurization, the juice goes through a filtration process. This eliminates any remaining pulp or apple pieces and leaves behind only pure juice. The juice is then poured into bottles and a label is added. They are then packaged in a carton to ensure safe transportation and hygiene during storage. In the final stage, the juices go through a quality check where each bottle is inspected for defects. The bottles are checked for taste, color, and smell to ensure they meet the required standard. Once everything has been checked, the juice is ready to be distributed. The juice travels from the factory to different shops, markets, and supermarkets worldwide, where you can purchase it yourself. That brings us to the end of the video, and we hope you enjoyed seeing how apple juice is made. You can now appreciate the hard work that goes into making this simple drink. So next time you drink a glass of natural apple juice, remember the journey it went through before reaching your table. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more interesting facts and information. Thank you for watching.